And I'm Bryce, and this is our first podcast. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about climate graphs and population pyramids. Okay, so Mikhail, what is a climate graph?
Well, a climate graph, it shows the average rainfall and temperatures that are typically experienced in a particular location. Okay, climate graphs are also used to display yearly temperature and precipitation statistics in a location as well.
Yep.
So, as shown in the picture that Bryce will pop up there,
Right here.
the average temperature is shown in a line graph and the rainfall is shown in a bar graph.
Okay.
Along the bottom are the months and along the sides are the average amount of rainfall in millimetres.
Okay, so what is it used for?
So climate graphs are actually used to display yearly temperature and precipitation statistics in a location.
Yep. What's shown in it?
So in a climate graph, the average temperature is shown in a line graph and the rainfall is shown on a bar graph. Along the bottom are the months and along the sides are the average amount of rainfall in millimetres. Sometimes there can be two types of line graphs. One can be for the average minimum temperature or the average maximum temperature. Personally, I think that climate graphs are very helpful for people who need them and have good use to them. So in order to do a climate graph, you need results, obviously. Okay, then you label the months and the average rainfall and also the average temperature. So the scale for the temperature is plotted on the left-hand side of the graph and it is shown in a line graph. The average rainfall is plotted on the right-hand side and the months are plotted on the bottom of the graph, as also shown in the picture below. Alright, so once you've done that and labelled all the stuff on the graph, you plot your results on the graph, and that is how you make a climate graph.
Well done.
So Bryce, what exactly is a population pyramid?
So a population pyramid is a pair of back-to-back histograms. So for an example, I'll pop up right here of a population pyramid. It shows all age groups and sexes. So in the pyramid, it displays a distribution of population. On the left-hand side, it shows the females of their ages and how many there are. And on the right hand side it's the males and it shows the exact same, and up the middle it shows the age, so it goes from 0 to 80 plus. And then a population pyramid is often used by demographers. They use them to see the population trends in the past and in the future, to examine the current resident profile of people.
So Bryce, what is in a population pyramid?
So in a population pyramid, I'll pop up right here a new one, and it shows the deaths and fatality rates. So at the bottom it will be very wide because lots of people are very younger, and at the top it will be very narrow because of the older people. Like the older you get, like it's easier to die. So then it will be narrower because it goes from 0 to 90 plus, and in it will show both males and females and what the population is in length, so that's how wide it will be as well, and then all the way up age, like I said. And yeah, so personally I think that population pyramids are very efficient in finding out things such as population increase, like I just said, and decrease in the future, and they are very simple and easy to use.
Nice.
Yeah. So thanks for tuning into MB Podcast. I hope you enjoyed it.
Please make sure to like and subscribe down below.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye.